Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of flags. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the hidden and interesting facts about the flags of countries around the world. From the hidden meanings behind the colors and symbols, to the historical context of their designs, we'll uncover some of the most surprising and captivating stories behind the flags you may have never known. So, grab your popcorn and get ready to discover a whole new world of flag trivia.
The flag of Angola features a machete and a cogwheel, which represent the country's agricultural and industrial workers.
The flag of Bhutan features a dragon, which is a symbol of power, strength, and Bhutanese identity. The dragon is holding jewels in its claws, which represent the wealth and prosperity of the country.
The flag of Bolivia features a central coat of arms that depicts a condor, a symbol of freedom, holding a ribbon that reads "The Union is strength." Some flags have hidden meanings in their design. For example, the flag of Brazil features a star constellation that represents the night sky over Rio de Janeiro on November 15, 1889, the day the country became a republic.
The flag of Cyprus features a map of the island in copper orange on a white field. The copper color represents the country's history of copper mining, while the white represents peace. The flag of Estonia features 3 blue, black, and white horizontal stripes. The blue represents the sky, the black represents the soil, and the white represents purity and the country's aspirations for independence. The flag of Finland features a blue cross on a white field, which represents the country's lakes and snow. The blue color also represents the country's thousands of lakes and the white color represents the snow and the country's long winters.
The flag of Haiti features 2 horizontal bars, one blue and one red, with a coat of arms in the center. The blue bar represents the country's black citizens and the red bar represents the mulatto citizens, while the coat of arms features the country's motto "L'union fait la force," which means unity makes strength.
The flag of Kyrgyzstan features a tunduk, a traditional Kyrgyz yurt, which symbolizes the country's nomadic past and present.
The flag of Jamaica features the colors green, gold, and black. Green represents the country's agriculture and natural resources, gold represents the sun and the country's bright future, and black represents the strength and creativity of the Jamaican people. The flag of the Marshall Islands features 24 points on the star, which represent the electoral districts of the country.
The flag of Mauritania features a crescent and star, which are traditional symbols of Islam, the country's dominant religion. The flag of Mozambique features a book, a hoe, and an AK-47, which represent education, agriculture, and defense, respectively. These symbols reflect the country's priorities for development and security. The flag of Nepal is the only national flag that is not rectangular in shape. It is a combination of 2 triangular pennants, which symbolize the 2 major religions of the country, Hinduism and Buddhism. Some flags have gone through significant design changes over time. For example, the flag of South Africa went through several changes during the 20th century to reflect the country's changing political landscape. The design of a flag can have political implications. For example, the flag of Taiwan, also known as the Republic of China, is a controversial symbol due to its disputed status as an independent country.
Some countries have multiple official flags, each with its own specific use or meaning. For example, the United States has flags for the military, maritime use, and even the space program. The flag of Vatican City features 2 keys, 1 gold and 1 silver, crossed behind a shield. The keys represent the keys to heaven that were given to Saint Peter by Jesus, while the shield displays the papal tiara and crossed keys, which symbolize the temporal and spiritual power of the Pope.
We hope you enjoyed discovering these hidden and fascinating facts about flags of countries from all over the world.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments which flag fact surprised you the most.